cutting parts all the way to a finished fuel tank, every part of our DT200 200-gallon tank is built right here by us in our own shop. We start by plasma cutting and finishing all the component parts of the DT200. The tank cylinder is rolled and welded, and the other components are bent and shaped on our press brakes. All the different components are then brought together for assembly. First, the tank ends are marked for placement, so the tank cylinder can be spot welded perfectly in place. Then the ends are welded solidly on the weld positioner. The 2-inch threaded ports are placed and welded, 4 on the top and 1 on the bottom. The forklift channels are perfectly aligned and welded in place on both the top and bottom of the tank structure. And then we do our first pressure test for weld integrity. Now the tank is structurally complete, and it moves on to be surface finished. So it's ready to be washed and treated with an acid rinse to prepare for powder coating. Every tank gets powder coated and cured in our ovens, and then moves on to final assembly. The Kruger fuel gauge and the vented fuel cap are sealed and put in place, and the tank gets a final pressure test. Finally, we apply the model decals, and we put our name on it, loud and clear. Completely finished and ready to go, the DT200 is fastened to a standard pallet and wrapped for LTL shipping straight to your door. The DT200 diesel fuel tank is built with complete quality control by our own hands, so we know that we can stand behind it, and you can be confident that it'll handle all of your fuel transport needs for years to come. The DT200 200-gallon diesel fuel tank, truly built by LeeAgra. Innovation, quality, integrity. LeeAgra.